clean platter.
So here we
from
are.
a
We're
Zenith
using this Zenith platter.
record changer that I'm restoring. Maintenance. I'm doing some maintenance. Platter's been cleaned. 91% isopropyl alcohol. First wipe on the inner rim after being cleaned with Simple Green. We're going to do a second wipe here. See what we get. Still residue. Demonstrating the importance of keeping the inside of your drivetrain. There's probably better names. You can all tell me what the correct name for this is, but I know to keep it correctly clean, and I'm still not there. I'll continue this process until I come back with a clean Q-tip after wiping. Stay tuned.